Jai Hind students, today we are going to discuss how to solve one more word problem from the same exercise, exercise 3.5, question number 4, part 4 from NCERT. Here is the question. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Let us solve it. Now from the last sentence, what are the speeds of the two cars? It is very clear that we have to suppose the speed of the car starting from A as x km per hour and the speed of the car starting from B as y km per hour. Now case 1, when the two cars travel in the same direction. Here is the figure. These are the two places A and B and the distance between these two places is 100 km. Now when the two cars travel in the same direction starting from A and B, let us suppose that they meet each other at the point P after 5 hours. Therefore, the distance traveled by the car starting from A in 5 hours will be AP. And AP is the distance, and we know the distance formula, that is speed into time. And speed of the car starting from A is x km per hour. So x into, and time is 5, so x into 5 km, that is 5x km. Similarly, the distance traveled by the car starting from B, distance traveled by the car starting from B in 5 hours will be BP, and BP is the distance, and distance formula you know, speed into time, and speed of the car starting from B is y km per hour. So y into time is 5, so y into 5 km, that is 5y km. Now from the figure it is very clear that AP minus BP is equal to AB, which we have written here. AP minus BP is equal to AB. AP we have got as 5x km, BP we have got as 5y km, and AB is given 100 km. So 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Dividing both sides by 5, we will get x minus y is equal to 20. Suppose it to be equation 1. Now case 2, when the two cars travel in the opposite direction. Here is the figure. These are the two places A and B, and the distance between AB is 100 km. Now when the two cars starting from A and B travel in the opposite direction, let us suppose that they meet each other at the point Q in 1 hour. Therefore, the distance traveled by the car starting from A in 1 hour will be equal to AQ, and AQ is the distance, that is distance formula is speed into time, and speed of the car starting from A, that is x km per hour. So x into time is 1, so x into 1 km, that is x km. Similarly, the distance traveled by the car starting from B in 1 hour will be BQ, and BQ is the distance, and distance formula you know, speed into time, and speed of the car starting from B is y km per hour. So y into time is 1, so y into 1 km, that is y km. Now from the figure it is very clear, AQ plus BQ is equal to whole AB, which we have written here. AQ plus BQ is equal to AB. AQ we have got as x kilometer, BQ we have got as y kilometer, and AB is given 100 kilometers. So x plus y is equal to 100. Suppose it to be equation 2. Now we have to solve these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, for x and y by using any of the three algebraic methods. Here we are going to apply elimination method. Here the second term y in both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2, is with the opposite sign, that is minus and plus. So to eliminate y from both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2, we have to add. Now adding equations 1 and 2, we get 2x is equal to 120. That implies x is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60. Now substituting this value of x, that is x is equal to 60, in equation 2, we get, in place of x we will put x 60. So 60 plus y is equal to 100, which we have written here. 60 plus y is equal to 100, and after solving we get finally y is equal to 40. Therefore finally x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 40. But we supposed x as the speed of the car starting from A, therefore the speed of the car starting from A is 60 km per hour, and y we supposed as the speed of the car starting from B, therefore the speed of the car starting from B is 40 km per hour. In the next class we will discuss how to solve one more word problem from the same exercise 3.5 from NCERT. Till then, take a good care of yourself and bye.